If your walk-in closet looks like this, builder-grade wire shelving and not enough storage, you're not alone. Well, we completely transformed this space with a custom closet system, and it's now functional, organized, and totally transformed. I can't wait to show you the process. I first started by going through all of my clothes and figuring out what I wanted to keep and what I needed to donate. I absolutely love this sweatshirt. So I am a chemist, and this is a periodic chemist tree. It is a Christmas tree made of periodic table elements, and I absolutely love this. This sweatshirt is too small for me, but I have to keep it because I love it. Gotten everything moved out, so I just now need to take out all of these wire shelves. To spackle, I'm going to use this DAP. Hoping that when I take this light off that all of the ceiling is actually finished, because if it's not, then I'm gonna have to come in and stamp it so that way it blends in with the rest. New light that I got. It's Patriot lighting, got it from Menards. Alright, power's back on. Let's see how it looks. Looks pretty good. And we've got Sadie to join us. Guest appearance from Sadie. Hi, Sadie. Okay, well, my supervisor just inspected and she said everything looks good. So I painted all of the shoe molding, so now I'm just going to get that all installed. So now I've got my stuff back in here, at least some of my stuff, just so that way it's out of the bathroom and the master bedroom. And then in a couple weeks we'll get the new closet installed. So here is the new closet. Just got it installed today. When you first walk in, you've got the 8 drawers here and some shelves. Got some hanging right there. And then we've got shelves right here for shoes. And then over on this side, we've got more shelves. And this is pull out laundry hamper. And then long hanging right there. And then some more double hanging right there. Overall, I think it looks really great. I'm really excited to start putting all my clothes back in here. As a reminder, here's where we started. Just your average builder grade walk-in closet with no real good storage solutions and everything out in the open. This closet bothers me every morning when I get ready. And here's the final reveal of this walk-in closet. I absolutely love how it turned out. It is amazing, and I love all of the storage solutions that we have. We have double hang over here for my husband's clothes. He hasn't put his stuff in here yet. But then over here I've got baskets for all of our accessories, shoes, that empty shelf for my husband's shoes. He only gets one shelf. But I really love how everything has turned out. I've got space to continue to grow. I've got all of my clothes here with all of my pants hung up and my suits, all of my dresses, my purses, our linens, and everything else is in here, and I really like it. There are soft close drawers, which are really nice as well. And one of my favorite secrets is this tie rack that I had installed for all of my scarves. I like to wear scarves in the winter when it's cold, so this was the perfect solution to store all of my scarves. I absolutely love how this closet transformation turned out. Every morning when I'm getting ready, it now makes me happy to be in this space. Let me know down below what you think of this transformation. Thanks!